Okay, here we go. All right.
Welcome back. So one local family went to great lengths to help a trapped animal.
Now, this has been all over social media locally today. Greg and Lauren Widener live in Clemens in Forsyth County, and they had just started eating dinner last night when they noticed something in the pond in their backyard. It was a hawk caught in fishing line. We see Lauren here. She walked into the pond using a net. She was able to grab the bird. It was just barely able to keep its head above water. They got it out of the water and looked at its wings. They say the bird looked exhausted but not hurt, so they left it outside, and when they returned an hour later, the hawk had flown away. Wow. Give credit to them for taking the initiative to go out and save that beautiful bird. Wow.
Wow. Oh, poor thing. Yeah, that's incredible. They got it on tape. This video is so cool.
Yeah, that video runs about 9 minutes or so. You can see the whole thing on myfox8.com. If you have a few minutes this evening, maybe worth it. It's very entertaining to check out and see how they did it.
Beautiful. Oh,
Lots
my
of hard
gosh.
work.
Beautiful.
Right, meanwhile, some other North Carolinians claim to have seen a very different kind of animal.
We're famous.
Different.
Oh, yes.